XRP Elon Musk tells you again to buy XRP. Look at this. Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss why Elon Musk tells you again to buy XRP and price prediction of XRP. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video right away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
John Deaton, an attorney and crypto enthusiast, has revealed he believes that Tesla CEO Elon Musk has just handed Ripple and the XRP token the best ad campaign on a silver platter. Deaton's words came shortly after the electric car maker's CEO tweeted out that Tesla will no longer be accepting Bitcoin payments over concerns about Bitcoin's proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism is bad for the environment. In the announcement, the electric car market pointed out it won't be selling any BTC and plans to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. Meanwhile, it is looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy/transaction. To the attorney, the move will see mainstream news outlets talk about XRP's low energy consumption when compared to Bitcoin. Tesla's announcement affected the market, as Bitcoin's price started dropping shortly after it was made. The flagship cryptocurrency hit a $47,000 low before recovering to $49,800 at press time, according to Crypto Compare data. Deaton, who has been supporting the XRP community against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), noted in a separate tweet he believes Musk is going to announce Tesla will accept Dogecoin payments in the near future, as the company's announcement came a day after Musk asked the crypto community whether it should accept Doge. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has over the last few months been a vocal critic of Bitcoin's carbon footprint and defended the XRP token as a greener alternative. Speaking to Bloomberg, he has argued one Bitcoin transaction equals 75 gallons of gasoline being burned. Dogecoin co-creator Billy Markus, who recently commented on a Shiba Inu statue placed in front of the iconic charging bull sculpture in New York's financial district, made a case for Doge, as it is merging mind. Dogecoin and XRP aren't the only alternative cryptocurrencies with a carbon footprint smaller than that of Bitcoin. Replying to Musk's announcement, several market commentators pointed to others' crypto assets including Waves, Solana, Cardano, Nano, and Algorand. Ever since Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the automaking company will be dropping Bitcoin payments, Bitcoin, BTC, has plunged dramatically on the crypto market, shedding more than $10,000 of its value. Currently, the cryptocurrency is trading at $43,307.17, down 10% in the last 24 hours. Musk announced via Twitter that Tesla was no longer going to enable Bitcoin payments, as BTC was not environmentally friendly enough for Tesla. He hinted that the company was however not done with the cryptocurrency altogether, as it will undoubtedly re-implement Bitcoin transactions once more sustainable energy was used to mine the cryptocurrency. Musk indicated that Bitcoin's energy usage over the last few months has been insane to say the least, and further hinted that Tesla may be contemplating Dogecoin (Doge) payments, as it was revealed that Tesla and Doge's developers were collaborating to try to improve system transaction efficiency. Bitcoin, although touted as the digital gold and the best asset to hold in the crypto market, has not been known to be environmentally friendly. In fact, previous research has revealed that the amount of electricity required to mine Bitcoin daily is equivalent to the electricity needed to power an entire country, namely Ireland. Bitcoin's energy consumption even exceeds the amount of electricity used in certain countries like Malaysia and Sweden. If Tesla was exploring more environmentally friendly cryptocurrencies, as Musk suggested, its search may lead it to Ripple XRP. XRP has been touted as the green cryptocurrency. According to Ripple's chief technology officer David Schwartz, Bitcoin is 57,000 times less eco-friendly than XRP. One of XRP's driving points is that it was designed with sustainability in mind. Previously, a Ripple blog post compared the energy consumption between 1 million XRP transactions and 1 million Bitcoin transactions. Ripple researchers found that while 1 million XRP transactions could power 79,000 lightbulb hours, 1 million Bitcoin transactions could power a total of 4.51 billion lightbulb hours. Although Musk's tweet about Bitcoin's energy consumption has not directly redirected users towards XRP, it has certainly served to spark a conversation about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency's ecological footprint. Following his comments, Greenidge, the world's first fully compliant powerplant cryptocurrency mining hybrid, came forward and announced its intention to offset all greenhouse gas emissions from its Bitcoin mining facility. Apart from offsetting 100% of its carbon emissions from its Bitcoin mining operations, Greenidge also intends to invest a portion of its mining profits in renewable energy projects. The firm is actively considering direct financing of alternative green energy sources located in New York and in other regions across the country. XRP is a global intercurrency payment system created by Ripple Labs. The main advantage of this network is that it allows mutual transfer to any part of the world in just a few seconds. This makes Ripple a very attractive option for banks that rely on real-time payment systems. The Ripple protocol is used by more than 75 payment systems and 90 banks worldwide, including UniCredit and Standard Chartered. Ripple's high-speed transmission is due to the network being supported by 14 servers worldwide. More and more banks are turning to Ripple, which makes the value of XRP soar. This currency is now ranked in the top 10 by market capitalization. In the first half of 2020, XRP mainly followed the general cryptocurrency market. The high point in April was close to $2, and then it turned to a downward trend. Although the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC is still ongoing, until the early summer of 2021, the Ripple team has kept the company's public appearance healthy. They even talked about whether the company might go public at some point. Therefore, the price has been kept within a fairly narrow range, mainly fluctuating between $0.8 and $1.0. This shows a lot of price control and makes experts relatively confident in the company. Most XRP price forecasts promise to exceed $1 by the end of 2022. However, the price of XRP has been affected by Ripple legal issues in the past. Relatively recently, in December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple and its stock price fell sharply. At that time, the price fell from approximately 65 cents to less than 25 cents within a few days. Therefore, XRP's price forecast for 2022 and its accuracy will largely depend on the outcome of the current litigation. Since April 2021, XPR has been trading in various declining patterns such as triangles and wedges. Coupled with the fact that it failed to continuously break through the support line during that period, this indicates that the trend reversal in the medium-term time frame is very likely. This may cause XPR to surge to the previous resistance level of approximately $1.30 or higher. In the short term, most indicators such as moving averages recommend selling XRP. However, this difference in predictions can be attributed to the high volatility of cryptocurrencies. According to Wallet Investor, the price of XRP will rise from $0.6752 to $1.096 within 1 year. This makes XRP an amazing investment. The long-term profit potential is 62.32%. The forecast price at the end of 2026 is $2.585. When answering the question about whether XRP is a good investment, Trading Beasts responded in the affirmative. From the perspective of 2021, the price of the token is expected to reach $0.9514397, and it will drop to $0.8463062 by the end of 2022. In Digital Coins analysis, the price of XRP cryptocurrency will rise from today's 64 cents to $1.966 in the next 5 years. It will rise to $1.062 by 2022 and continue to grow in 2023 to 2024. According to forecasts, XRP is a profitable long-term investment. In 2021, the average price will drop to $0.651. In 2022, the price of XRP will drop significantly to an average of $0.648. It is clear that the XRP forecast is quite contradictory. There is no general consensus on positive or negative future XRP price trends. In fact, the possible future growth depends on various factors: announcements, new technical solutions for the XRP project, overall encryption environment, legal status, etc. We kindly remind you that you must conduct your own research, DYOR, before investing in any cryptocurrency. Yes, most forecasters and analysts believe that the price of Ripple, XRP, will rise in 2021. Some experts even predict that it will soon hit a record high. Many mid to long-term XRP forecasts indicate a bullish trend in the future. This means that XRP is worth buying and holding. The SEC's case against Ripple is very long, which worries some experts. However, Ripple's management seems confident in its prospects, and prices have also rebounded after the initial decline. In addition, financial institutions seem to be more willing to adopt Ripple than many other cryptocurrencies, which is also very promising for the future of XRP. There are many definitions of a good investment according to the investor's goal. In addition, investment always has inherent risks. Having said that, since many forecasts predict the price growth of XRP, holding it may be an attractive investment. Some experts predict that XRP will reach $10 or more in the future. This is a long-term forecast with a time span of 5 to 10 years. Most Ripple's forecasts for 2025 are optimistic, saying that the average price of XRP that year will remain in the middle range of $2. However, keep in mind that long-term forecasts are not very reliable and may change. The current economic environment and the fundamentals of XRP make it unlikely that XRP will reach $1,000. However, considering the pace of financial and technological innovation, this is not impossible. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time.